purple finch, a female cardinal, and a male cardinal. The male cardinal is on the ground. I love bird watching. I get, oh, they flew away except for the purple finch. I get woodpeckers, goldfinches, purple finches, sparrows, tufted titmouse, nuthatches, blue jays. I used to get the eastern bluebird, but I haven't seen it in a couple years. I'm trying to draw it back, and I get hummingbirds, but I haven't seen any hummingbirds yet either. I have 4 more bird feeders in the back, so of course more birds, and then I have my 2 hummingbird feeders back there. I'll have to show you those sometimes. But I love watching the birds and listening to the birds. Or we get mourning doves and grackles. There's about 11 or 12 different varieties that I counted so far. I can't recall all of their names at the moment. But yes, I'm trying to attract as many species as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye.